Keratin, chondroitin sulfates.
Yeah. So under heteropolysaccharides, you just give these names because it's only a 2-marker beta. Here you have
Okay, ma'am.
hyaluronic acid, chondroitin sulfate, heparan, dermaton sulfate, and keratin sulfate. These are all glycosaminoglycans. Come under heteropolysaccharides. Okay. So we have homo and
Okay,
hetero.
ma'am.
Yeah. Then methemoglobin. What is methemoglobin, beta? So this I will.
In hemoglobin, the iron is present in ferric form, Fe plus 3 instead of
Ferric form,
ferrous.
and it is not available, right? Can you tell
Yes.
me page number, beta?
For methemoglobin.
Yes, beta. That one reaction is there. There I will show that reaction that gives you complete 2 marks.
202, ma'am.
Okay, 401. Okay, beta.
202, ma'am, page.
Okay, done, beta. 402.
202, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. Got it, beta. 402.
202, ma'am. 202.
Okay, okay. Sorry.
202.
Okay, okay, done. Yes, beta. So now methemoglobin. Generally, as Imad was telling, like iron should be in ferrous state in order to allow the hemoglobin to deliver oxygen to the tissues, right? Suppose if it is getting converted to ferric form, it will not be able to discharge oxygen molecules to the tissues. Okay, that thing is actually called as methemoglobin. Okay, see, ferrous form is converted to ferric form in case if our body is exposed to hydrogen peroxide, free radicals or drugs. Okay, but fortunately our protection, just now you studied like pentose phosphate pathway, significance, HMP shunt, no? So NADPH works over there to kill these free radicals, isn't it? So meth hemoglobin reductase converts hemoglobin back to hemoglobin. Okay, beta. So that's what. What are the clinical symptoms and causes of kwashiorkor? In case of kwashiorkor, the baby will be chubby, fatty, moon face, web neck,
Edema
broad belly.
formation will be there.
Yeah, that means baby is fully fed on carbohydrate diet. No proteins at all. Generally in backward, like below poverty line people, generally they may not have proper proteins in the diet. So if they are feeding exclusively on rice like parboiled or boiled rice, gruel made up of it. So if the baby is fed exclusively on carbohydrate diet, what happens? Plasma proteins will not be synthesized. So if proteins are not there, obviously plasma proteins won't be synthesized. So the plasma which is there inside the blood vessels, it leaks into the tissue spaces leading to edema. Full body pitting type of edema. That means if you just press, you will see there will be depression. Okay. So whole body edema is found and the full fat gets deposited. Fatty liver, pod belly, whole fat in the face, moon face it is described as. Okay. These are the clinical symptoms what we find due to protein deficiency in the diet. That's what is kwashiorkor. Then what is Cori cycle? Carbohydrate metabolism.
It's a transfer of pyruvate and lactate formation between muscle and liver.
Yeah, because lactate cannot be converted back to glucose in any other tissue other than liver, no? That's why. So that is transported to liver for the formation of from the lactate to glucose, isn't it? Again, glucose is transported back to skeletal muscle for the purpose of contraction. If you tell me the page number, I'll show you that Cori cycle photograph. It's very simple, better. There is one amino acid acting as intermediate also.
Yes, ma'am. I think it is alanine.
Yes, beta.
Alanine amino acid is also involved.
261, ma'am.
Two alanine. No, beta. It's alanine, right? Even I remember it as.
Yes, alanine.
Oh, your voice is little not clear, beta. Ritika. We will search, not a problem. It is somewhere here only. Are you right in chat box? Yes, beta, this is corecycle. Yeah. Yes, alanine only. See, in the
60,
skeletal
ma'am.
muscle, glucose is now converted to glucose has to get converted back to glucose through series of reactions, but muscle doesn't have those enzymes, so glucose is now converted to pyruvate, pyruvate to lactate. Lactate is now transported to liver, and through like certain enzymes, this pyruvate is converted back to glucose. Now glucose successfully comes back to muscle for the purpose of skeletal muscle contraction. So this cycle of conversion of lactate back to glucose, the enzyme machinery is found only in liver. So this cycle is called as Cori's cycle. Okay. So we will meet tomorrow same time with paper 2 beta biochemistry. Okay, I'm stopping.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, this Saturday we'll write a paper instead of Sunday, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Very good, beta. Okay, just remind
Instead
me.
of Sunday, we'll write on
Yeah,
Saturday.
yeah. You just message me. I'll send you the question paper.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Bye, beta. Take care. All of you.
Okay,
Bye.
bye,
Good
ma'am.
night.
Thank you.
Good night,
Bye.
beta.